The pandemic has kept so many of us stuck at home this year for hours on end. And as we head into the dark winter months, we'll be spending more times at home. But an at-home spa might be just what the doctor ordered. Here to show you the ultimate home hot tub we've got in his backyard, home contractor Skip Bedell. And you know, Skip, people are talking about how we need to be outside. Why not put one of those outside your back porch?
Well, I'll tell you, Steve, yeah, the outdoor retreats that we all built this summer are now closing up, and it's so important that we can continue to stay outside and have a place to relax and unwind. So a home spa is really a great way to do that. Now, I did a lot of research, and I found that Master Spas by far was the best. They're the world's largest manufacturer of hot tubs, and they're all made right here in the USA. So let me show you the one that we chose for my home.
Okay.
This is the Michael Phelps Legend Series, and you know if Michael Phelps puts his name on it, it's got to be good. It's got 3 pumps, 72 jets, Steve, and it's got 8 seats, each massaging a different part of your body. So let me show you some of the favorite functions that I love about this tub. So if you look over here, you got the shoulder and neck seat, right? You have jets up above the water that massage your shoulder and neck. It has magnetic biotherapy in it. You have a lower back seat that massages your lower back. And then, Steve, check this out. In this seat right here, you have 22 separate jets just on one seat alone that gives you the ultimate massage in your back. Let me show you this. Unbelievable power
like a fire
inside
hose
of this thing. Yeah, you're really massaging when you're in this, and you're really relaxing. Now, this is one of my favorite features, Steve. You see those 2 giant jets down there? Those are 28 nozzles that are focused just on your feet. Watch this. So you have 200 gallons a minute just giving you the ultimate foot massage while you're inside this tub, which is absolutely amazing. So after you get through some of these jets, and obviously I can't speak on all the features, but one of my favorite features of this that not many tubs have is a full body lounge chair. You get to lay down flat, and this massages you from head to toe, your whole body at the same time, which is really great. Now, one of the other great features here, Steve, is if you notice this LED lighting inside of this tub, and it's really nice because it enhances the ambiance, it sets the mood. You can change from one color to the next, or you can leave it on one color light, and it really makes that mood where you're enjoying the whole hot tub experience. In addition to that, Steve, we have a premium sound system in this, and I got to tell you, it's amazing. It Bluetooth connects, Wi-Fi, you set it up with your smartphone, and you're playing all your music right through the tub, and it sounds absolutely incredible, which is really, you know, so you have the lights, you have the sound, and you have the hydrotherapy. So now you're outside and you're enjoying your home space and you're relaxing and you're de-stressing. And in addition to that, Steve, it's easy to keep clean. So the technology now has come miles in advance. This has an eco-pure filtration system, so it's very easy to keep it clean. It's almost maintenance-free. And the best part is overall, it uses very little electricity because it's super energy efficient. Steve, this whole cabinet is filled with foam, so it's highly insulated, which means that you can actually keep the cover up all day and it'll maintain the temperature.
That's why they call it a hot tub. Skip, and it looks big enough. You know, it's the Michael Phelps. It's obviously a gold medal hot tub. It looks like it's big.
8 seats.
Right. It looks like it's big enough. You could actually be socially distanced from people.
You can. It's 9 feet by 8 feet. You can put 8 people in here, socially distanced, and hang out with your friends and family. It's a great way to relax and de-stress.
Final exit question. It looks fantastic. For people who want more information, they can go to skipbedell.com. Do you have to have a professional install that, or something I can do over the weekend?
So they have dealers across the country that'll come install it, and I got to tell you, it was a fantastic experience. They came here in the morning, and within a couple of hours, it was up and running. It's a one-day install. Very easy to have this put in your home. If you check out the website, you can get one sent right to your house quickly and installed the same day.
If it was a little warmer, I'd ask you to jump in, but, you know, it is a cold day.
Oh, I'm gonna, as soon as we wrap up. No, I go with it all winter long. It's the best time.
All right, Skip, have a great weekend. Once again, Skip.